All right, I want to show you really quick how to make a little magazine or notebook out of a simple page, out of a simple piece of paper. All right, so all you need is a regular paper, just a regular paper. Fold that in half and try to be really precise on the edges with that. Fold it in half like this, and then you open it up and fold the sides in towards the middle crest on both sides. Make sure that it lines up precisely. Fold it all the way so you have a long format, and then that again you fold in half. So you have all these different portions. You open this all up. Then you fold it again in half, and from the middle of the paper to this little fold here, you cut just half of the page, a little cut. That's all you need, and that's the whole magic. So now we're gonna open the page, fold it along where we cut, making it really nice and flat, and then where the cut is, we open it up like this. It opens up, and there we start to fold it really nicely together, over and over, and finished is our little booklet, magazine, notebook. So that's how it's gonna look, and there's a lot you can write in, draw in, make little notes, or tell your own little story. That's just one of the little examples of what we can do together in the summer. I hope I see you in one of my virtual workshops. Bye.